Hey yo, welcome back. Come join me. We're opening up another 10. Having a small little break from the 151 and terrestrial opening. So we're going to open up some of these. So I believe all the tins are going to be the same. One Paradox Rift, one Obsidian Flames. Awesome. Get all this stuff away, all this garbage. Yoink. Let's do the obsidian. Let's do the obsidian today, shall we? I'll do this one first. I do have something special for you guys. Something you may not always see. I know that I have opened up. Oh my god. I have attempted to open up both Japanese and English sets, but I have got my hands on some simplified Chinese packs. So I'm going to be opening up a booster box of them. Hopefully we can pull something crazy. I have no idea what's good. I'm going to have to research the set. It was just something that caught my eye, and hopefully it's awesome. One reverse. Ooh, two reverses. And a Togekiss. So nothing over the top right there. But that's all good. We've got one more pack to go. And that's a Paradox Rift. And obviously this one is going to open up a lot easier than that one. Just so I don't spend 30 minutes trying to open up two packs. And as you can see, the lovely code card. That means nothing anymore, which I guess is good. It's a bit disheartening when you saw a white code, when you saw a black, and you're like, oh, nothing's in here. Oricorio. Okay. Yeah, okay. Look at that damage. Oh my god. Shit, man. That's weird. Okay, what's this? Just uncommon. That's quality control there. Jesus. Okay. One, two, and an Iron Jugulis. That's it. That's a very unique and different pack trick, but all good. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.